Tutorial number 17, How to create a CIMT report for American population. After launching the app, log in as radiologist. If you're not a registered user, watch tutorial number 1, How to register a new user. The link is in the description down below. Select CIMT Reporting Tool. Enter patient demographics. All fields with red borders should be completed. You can enter the information manually, or capture the patient label, or use modality worklist to populate demographics automatically. To learn how to replace patient demographics with a patient label, watch tutorial number 7, How to add patient label to worksheet or report. To learn how to set up DICOM communications with your network server, watch tutorial number 4, How to set up DICOM communications. The links are in the description down below. Since we have already set up our DICOM communications, we will select the patient from the work list. Select your patient from the work list. Any fields with red border should be completed. Tap Next. Only patients between 45 and 65 years of age are eligible for this structured report. All fields must be completed. Select ethnicity or race. For American population, choices are white or black. Select American for the community field. If plaque is present in carotid arteries, select the location of plaque. Otherwise, move on to the next field. Select a measuring protocol. You can choose between a single segment measurement of bilateral distal CCA, or 3 segment measurements of bilateral distal CCA, bulb, and proximal ICA. Enter the CIMT measurements. Please note that decimal numbers must start with 0. The structured report will automatically be created. You can modify the report if you wish to. Otherwise, tap Next to see the final report. The final report will include a graphic representation of your patient's CIMT compared to normal CIMT values for the same age, race, and gender in that community. To send the report to your PACS, tap Send PDF to PACS. To print the report, tap Share and select your printer from the list and then tap Print. To learn how to share the report by text messaging or email or AirDrop, or how to save it to your device, watch tutorial number 10, How to print, save, or send worksheet or report to PACS. The link is in the description down below. Once you are done, tap Trash to clear all data and prepare the app to start a new report. If you have any questions or comments, you can always contact us by email support from the login page. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new tutorial.